Weather Service has issued a weather bulletin. Currently, the temperature is 77 degrees with a thunderstorm. Here's our local Doppler radar. Today, windy with rain, heavy at times. High 79. Winds north over 100 miles per hour. Wind gusts could reach 140 miles per hour. For tonight, rain and wind. Low 77. West-southwest winds at 80 to 100 miles per hour, diminishing to 40 to 60 miles per hour. On Thursday, windy with rain showers likely. High 81. Chance of rain 50%. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. And Thursday night, partly cloudy and windy. Low 72. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. Our 7-day outlook.